cancer survivor. Surviving cancer changes your life. I always believed that telomere research would help us live a longer and healthier life. I believe now that keeping our telomeres long is fundamental to preventing cancer and other diseases. I believe that telomere research is going to revolutionize medicine as we know it. And I believe that the combination of our team is going to make that a reality. We are so excited to be here, to have the opportunity to share with you some of the various aspects of our research. What an amazing, fantastic opportunity for all of us. Thank you.
So now I'd like to introduce Lancer Brown. But I need a slide change.
Well, I'm Lancer Brown. I'm the Director of Screening at Sierra Sciences. It's my job to coordinate the high-throughput screens that we perform to identify ingredients that activate telomerase. Next slide, please. Bill, if you don't mind.
Bill.
Early on in life, I knew one thing. I loved anything with a motor, especially motorcycles and old cars. Man, the power, the exhilaration, the freedom that they give. Motorcycles were really the only way I had growing up to go on long trips, to explore the United States and Canada. I had an El Camino in high school. It was a restoration I did with my father. I'm working on my second El Camino, as a matter of fact. This passion is still with me today, as strong as ever. But there's a lot of highways I haven't ridden, a lot of cars I haven't tinkered with, and a lot of destinations I haven't seen. Judging from my receding hairline and my knees that have arthritis from a college accident, it doesn't take much to realize I'm also getting old. I've been working for Dr. Andrews for 9.5 years now, studying telomerase biology, cloning genes, developing gene expression assays, and finding compounds that activate telomerase. Because I believe telomerase activation, along with a healthy lifestyle, is going to add years to our lives, years that can be spent doing the things we love.
Next we have Hamid Mohammadpour.
It's probably speaking for everyone.
Hello, everybody. I'm Hamid Mohammadpour, and I'm very pleased that Isogenics and John Anderson and Sierra Sciences allowing me to be part of this event. I have been doing research for over 30 years, and I've been with Sierra Sciences since the beginning. My main function is I grow human cells so that Lancer does all his screening. So at any given day of the week, I have millions, sometimes hundreds of millions of cells continuously growing and available for screening compounds and other experiments that they need to do. So we all have our reasons to be here, and I got a couple of them. Well, like many of you, I would like to live a long life and help. And then there are external forces that make us to do things. And this is Jax. So he is my internal, external motivator. And I want him to live a healthy and long life, the same as me. And I believe that telomere biology and research allows me to accomplish this goal. Finally, telomere science and research has come a long way in the past 12 years because of companies like Sierra Sciences and those who have and are willing to take chances with it. So Hopefully in the next couple of days, we can share with you some of the work that we are been doing. Thank you.
And next we have Dr. Federico Gaeta.
Hi, thank you. It's really great to be here.
Ladies like this.
Thank you, Bill. We've been working together for almost 18 years now. We've come a long way, huh? This is amazing. Well, my name is Federico Gaeta. I was born in Spain. Moved to all over the world and trained in chemistry. My work with Bill has been to identify anything and everything that could possibly have a beneficial effect on telomere health. You know, I realized a few years ago that chronologically I was getting older and my telomeres would probably get a little shorter, and I didn't like it one bit. And now I can do something about it, because not only do I like to do science, if you show the next slide, I also like to dance tango. And you can't do that if you can't walk, if your telomeres are too short. So I'm a scientist by day and a tango dancer by night. And I keep wanting to do that for a hell of a long time. So thanks again, Bill. This is a great opportunity. Go get the product B. Before I do.
And now I'd like to introduce Dr. Dennis Harper, he will be heading up the clinical study that will be done on product B beginning pretty soon.
Wow. That's it right there. Or maybe the clinical study.
You know, I feel pretty humble being up here with all these scientists that know so much. And if you remember, those of you that remember 9 years ago, I was almost mesmerized by the Isogenics products and with the results that I saw just with the 9-day cleanse. And since that time, since I've immersed myself with Isogenics and with my patients and having them on Isogenics, I've seen them change dramatically. I've watched the pillars of health come about through Isogenics. I've been watching as the company has been progressing and getting more and more exciting all the time. And now, what we have now is science fiction. And I'm an avid science fiction reader, and when I recognize science fiction, I know what it is. Let me tell you, these guys are into science fiction. They're going to make this thing come true. None of us like getting older. I don't like getting older. But now I don't mind getting older, because as you get older, now with the 5 pillars of health, you can actually get better.
So, now, come tomorrow morning at 10:30, because you'll hear all of them talk some more, in a lot more detail than they did today. So thank you very much.
Woo!